Hello everyone, this is Christy. Today I'm going to show you a project that I made for VectoriaDesigns. And I made this project using Impossible Alice Junk Journal Project Pack. Okay, and this one is a Gatefold 3-in-1. So I'm going to show you how it looks. And if you are interested on the papers and also on the tutorial, the link is going to be in the description box of this video. And now I'm going to show you, I used just the papers from the collection, okay? I didn't combine any other paper, and those are digital images, okay? I print them in cardstock and also on regular paper. And as you can see, I use this metal closure. Then on the side, I put some shabby chic rosettes. Then right here, this is the back, more shabby chic rosettes. And this is the top. Can you see? Journal, pop-up mini album, and this is the folio, and this is the bottom. Okay, now I'm going to open. Okay, when you open, you see the three all together. Okay, and now I'm going to show you just the journal. Okay, so we close this one and we can move, okay, this one on the center. Okay, as you can see, there are beautiful images, and I play with them because there are full pages, okay, with many designs, but also there are full pages of journals and regular pages like this one that is smaller. See, these are the full size and this is the smaller size for the inside pages. So I play with all of them and you will see in the tutorial. Okay, right here, okay, I made two pockets, and as you can see, it has a big space for pictures. And then right here, okay, I used elastic binding. Okay, can you see? So if you want to work with just one part of the journal, you can take it with you or close this one and then write and glue your pictures, anything that you had to do with this, and then you just can put it back. It's very convenient to have the elastic binding. Now right here, as you can see, I use the beautiful pages, okay, from the collection. Then right here, these are embellishments. This collection had a lot of embellishments, and I use them almost in every page. As you can see right here, I made this little envelope. Right here, look, embellishments. Okay, look, the beautiful pages of Alice. Embellishments right here. This one too, embellishments. Okay, all these are embellishments. And I made a collage. See, even this part up here is an embellishment. So you can play with all of them to put on the pages. Look, some of them are scraps, okay, that I use. These are embellishments. And look how beautiful. See? The other part of the little envelope. And this is a scrap. This one is a scrap of one of the full pages, and I just slide it. See? And in the tutorial, I'll tell you which one are the journal pages, which are the scraps. Look, this one is an envelope that you open like this. You can fill with anything, and then you close like this. Look, this beautiful cutout. This is a bookmark that I made for the journal. Okay, you can put it anywhere. And more embellishments. And I didn't use dyed papers this time, okay? I just used regular copy papers because I wanted more white on this project. Okay, as you can see, more embellishments. Look how beautiful. See, this is a scrap from a journal page, and look, an embellishment, and you have a large tag there. And that's it for the journal. And right here on this side, okay, this one are little file folders, and it comes with a kit. And I made this holder so you can have it over there, and you can save some more tags and embellishments there. Okay, look. And this one. Then right here, I made this one that opens, okay? And then you can pull and have room for pictures there and here. So this is all for the journal, okay? And now we're going to see the Fotofolio, okay? Which is in the center. Okay, right here for this Fotofolio, I made this big folio, okay? And I decorated with just rhinestones and these border dies. Then right here, when you open, you have these two pages, okay? Look, I made a pocket right here, and I have large tags from the embellishments and a pocket where you can put more stuff. And right here there are waterfall mats, and as you can see, they are for large pictures. See, and you have room up here too, okay? And same at the bottom. Okay, these are embellishments, and then you have the waterfall mats right here, and the pocket right here where you can save more tags, okay? Then right here on this side, I just left, okay, these papers that I printed and folded in half, and this can be nice for pictures, okay? You can use it for vertical or to horizontal, or you can glue any other papers right here, see? And I have two of these, okay? And right here, when you open, look, you have two pockets right here, and on this pocket I put one mat, okay, for a 4x6. Look, another, and this one too, which is similar to the other one, okay? See? So you have a lot of room for writing or for pictures. See? Then right here I made little pockets, and you can save a tag and more embellishments. See? And here more. Then right here, as you can see, there are two places that you can open, and you can open up, and you have mats right here, and also right here. And right here, I used a lace that is big, and I just glue right here, and I made a pocket so you can put more little tags, okay? And I have some more here. Then I'm going to put to the top, you open this one down, okay? And right here in the center, you have waterfall mats, okay? For many pictures. It's for 11 pictures in each one, okay? So right here at the bottom, you have one mat for 2 pictures, and then tickets from the embellishments. And look, these were from one of the pages that I cut and made a pocket, and this one opens and you have more room for writing or pictures. And that's the same here. Okay, see? And you close this one like this and like this, see? Then you close it like this. And I have a surprise at the bottom. Look, see, more pop-up mats that you can fill with pictures, and these are large pictures. Then you have one more right here on the top, okay, for a 4x6, and also right here at the bottom. Look, see, more pictures right there, okay? And this one closes like this. And now I'm going to show you the pop-up album, okay, that I made on this side. And I'm going to put it this way. For the first page, I made a pocket right here where you can save a tag and other stuff if you want, okay? Some other papers. Then right here, there is a pocket, and I have 2 mats, okay, in each pocket. And as you can see, I play with the design so you can put more embellishments on these pages because they have already beautiful pictures. I just put lace on top, and you can save more pictures in there. Look, this is one of the pop-up pages, okay? And right here, there is another one right here, and you can even write on the sides, okay? Right here too, you can maybe write some dates or something here. Then right here, I have, okay, another pocket, and look at the design. Okay, I kept the design, and even for this one, can you see the clock? I put lace on the border, okay, can you see? And then when you open, you have more pop-up pages, and you can put some pictures, you can decorate with stamps, you can write in some of them, glue things, so it's going to be very, very nice for you, okay? Then in the next page, you have this one, and you can do the same. Look, put some pictures and write. So it's going to be beautiful, okay? And right here, there are more pockets. Can you see? I kept a heart right here on the side. And then right here, this part, so you can put pictures in there. And for the last part up here, I made this pop-up page right here, and you can have more pictures in there. And I left this one right here for something else. Maybe you want to glue a booklet, you want to put a pocket or something. So you can add anything that you want in here, see? And this one closes like this, and you secure it with these metal closures. And that's it. Please let me know in the comments, what was your favorite part of this Gatefold 3-in-1 journal, pop-up mini album, and Fotofolio? See, I want to know. And I also made something very, very little, okay, with the papers that are in the collection, okay? And it's this pocket journal. Okay, it's too little, right? But it has all the pages in miniature. I'm gonna show you. Look how small. Look, it's the size of my hand. You can keep it on your purse or anywhere, see? And it's super cute because everything is miniature. Look, I just decorated with this paper right here, and I put these metal corners, and right here I put this lace for the closure. Look, there is a small tag right here. Then these are the pages. Does it look so cute? You have lots of room for writing here, taking notes. See, I put some of these tags, the small ones, and also right here I made another of these envelopes, okay, so you can keep stuff in there. And then more pages, and look, it even has a bookmark, okay, that I put with another charm. And I put one of the images that came in a circle, and I put glossy accents on top. And look, it has the rabbit on the other side. Okay, then right here, okay, all the images. This is the back of the envelope. Okay, more beautiful pages and more tags, tiny tags. And right here in the back I put more embellishments and tags, okay, and all of these are embellishments. And you can add or take some of the pages, okay, if you want to replace them. It has an elastic right here in the center, and also you can print a lot of these because this is so little. You just need a few pages, okay, to print double-sided, and you can make gifts for any occasion. I hope you like this project, and if you like or you want to make one of these, that tutorial is going to be available at VectoriaDesigns YouTube channel. The link is going to be in the description box. Thank you very much for watching my videos, for your likes, your comments, and for subscribing to my channel. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye-bye.